welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a package from Kai. So let's see what we got. Has a slight odor to it. It's very, very puffy. Oh my gosh. So it does fit. But geez, like, be prepared to have no neck room. I would have to wear it open. Is the oversized blazer. I thought it would be longer, and this is a size large. Yeah, it's oversized. It almost gives it like a masculine look. It is long on the arms. It is very oversized, like, but I mean, it's a vibe, it's cute. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really disappointed because I thought this was a white t-shirt and it said corset, so I figured it would be like tight here and then kind of open up. And I opened it and I'm like, look how short it is. It's really short. And it's not because I'm 5'6", like it's really legit short. Like, here's my chest and here's the shirt. And keep in mind, I'm wearing a crop top right now, but this is like very cropped. And final item is this. These are leather leggings. I'm gonna have to try them on. That's it for the Kai video. Overall, I'm satisfied. I love her clothing. This is the second time I've ordered from her. I've bought her crop leather jacket and the trench coat, loved it. This blazer, as you can see, I'm still wearing it. I love it. The puffers, they're very puffy, so caution on that. I don't really have a long neck, but still, they're very puffy. So if you want a puffer jacket and you don't have a neck, it's gonna be a struggle. You gotta just keep it open. But yeah, that's it for the Kai haul. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.